Hi everyone, this is RevitUni.com, and in this tutorial I will show you how to show window that is above the cut line view range. So to show you the problem, here I have a window that is currently at the sill height of 80. If I go to view range of this view, shortcut VR, I see that the cut plane is located at 120. So it's in between the window, inside the window height, so it shows on the plan as cut. But sometimes the window is above this level, so if I make it at least 121, it disappears on the plan. If I go to section view, you see this is my cut view range, and this is slightly above. How to make it visible? I will go back to floor plan, go to view, plan views, and plan region. It allows us to create a certain shape. I don't see this window right now, so I will just make it a little bit bigger. And we have only one property for this element. It's marked as this dashed line. So I can edit the view range. I have total flexibility over the top cut plane, so I can go between other levels. This option I don't have in a default view range. So if I make it at least 121, it should appear on the floor plan. You see? Let's make it maybe 125. Click apply, click OK. And if you want, you can adjust also the height size of this element. If you don't like this dashed line, of course, you can later hide it either by element or by category. So this is it. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and visit my site revituni.com.